Over the last 2 days, it's been a pleasure to meet up with my colleagues from across the globe. I think 2 key takeaways was, firstly, the need for further collaboration amongst business schools in redefining what it means to be a leader in our society. The second aspect, which was quite interesting for me to engage with, was the influence of technology and innovation in shaping what it means to be a leader. And I think there's quite a bit of work that we still have to do to understand fully what that impact will be.
The biggest takeaway for me is the very frank, intelligent and very engaging discussions that we had. And I think that's one of the characteristics of the council, the CoBS as we call it. And that's it's one big family where we put things on the table without fear, and we speak and we find solutions together. So it's always a very, very positive atmosphere.
Really makes sense to hear each other and join, as a single voice. The CoBS Alliance is truly representative of many different places in the world and many different worldviews. So hearing all of these different worldviews is truly enriching, I think, for every single one of our business schools.
It's just great to be inspired by other schools. I see them as kindred spirits. They're great schools from various parts of the world, committed to responsible leadership. We can learn from exciting practices, from the experience, from the research that they do. And after a meeting like this, I just go away inspired and ready to share all the information that I gathered with my colleagues at Trinity Business School.
Among the many takeaways, I would highlight the engagement, enthusiasm, willingness to contribute from the participants in this workshop.
Something that makes me very proud of being part of a global alliance such as CoBS is to see how admirable all the other schools and all the other people involved in the alliance are, right? So to be around them, to be enriched, by their thinking.
Coming to Stellenbosch, we get the Stellenbosch perspective on global issues with a local flavour, and it reminds those of us who live in the global north, for example, that there are other ways to see things. That's really, really nice, and I'm proud of that.
It was our pleasure to host our colleagues from the Council of Business and Society at our business school campus in Bellville. We look forward to meeting you all at the next venue and location. Take care and goodbye.